If I tell you that you can be able to monetize a YouTube channel for the remaining 6 weeks part of 2025, and you'll be able to get monetized faster if you start your YouTube channel right now. Today's video, I'm going to give you all the YouTube features that is going to allow you get monetized faster as a small channel. Yes, if this feature had come when I started my channel, I would have got monetized faster. So these are the things that I'm going to be doing to be able to get my channel monetized faster. And if you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Blessing. I give tips, strategies, and my experience on how to grow your YouTube channel and how to make money on YouTube. And if this is a video you have been looking for, kindly hit the subscribe button. And now let's get into this video. What I'm about to tell you is that YouTube is hard, but if you get the right source of information, you'll be able to scale through on time. What I'm saying is that to be able to monetize on YouTube, there is 2 stages. The first stage is the 500 subscriber, 3,000 watch time, and 10 million short views in the last 90 days. Now, the second stage is which you are going to be earning from ad revenue, is where you are going to get your 1,000 subscriber, your 4,000 watch time, and your 10 million short views in the last 90 days. Now, your 3,000 watch time and your 10 million short views in the last 90 days is slashed. It's either you are getting 3,000 watch time or 10 million short views. YouTube has already rolled out a lot of features that is going to enable small channels to be able to get monetized faster. And one of these feature is invite a collaborator. When you do this, when you invite a collaborator, you can be able to get monetized on YouTube faster, especially when you are collaborating with a higher person, like somebody that is higher than you in your niche, somebody that has a lot of subscribers and that is in your niche. Once you can be able to convince the person to collaborate with you, that your video is going to be showing on that person's video and you are going to be getting a lot of views and subscribers. Tell me why you will not be able to meet your 10 million short views in the next 90 days or your 3,000 watch hour the next 365 days. So now, another feature that YouTube has already rolled out in 2025, all this feature came out in 2025. Another feature you should also note is that they brought out the collab feature. The collab feature enables you to also remix another creator's work, like you'll be able to react. Like instead of you to take a reaction video from Instagram or from TikTok or from Snapchat and then start to go to your YouTube editing app and then start to edit it and put all those work, you don't need to do that anymore. YouTube has already simplified everything. Just take in the reaction that you want on the YouTube channel and then react to that video and then add all the edits you need to add inside the YouTube app. That is how simple, that is how YouTube really loves small channels. That is how YouTube really wants us to get monetized in 2025. And now if you have a channel and it's growing very slowly, just sit down and open another channel and do this method I'm telling you right now so that you can get your monetization and you can start making money on YouTube. Now, the third feature that YouTube just rolled out few days ago that I'm going to be highlighting now is using the AI tool on your YouTube shorts. YouTube is just very good. YouTube wants us to get monetized faster in 2025 and even 2026. Those that are starting their YouTube channel are going to really get lucky this time, because when we started YouTube did not give us all these features to be able to grow on YouTube. Now this AI feature, you are going to see it on your YouTube shorts. Immediately you upload the video that you want, you can click on either edit with AI or you do your normal editing. What you are going to do when you click on the edit with AI is going to just give you some kind of inspiration and anything you want to do on your video. Give it a prompt and it's going to give you back what you have told it to do. And once you are satisfied with that result, you can go ahead and use it on your channel. Like, you don't have any cost to think about copyright strike or if you are going to get banned or if this AI tool is not going to be monetized. It is going to be monetized because it is in YouTube app inbuilt. So YouTube is favoring channels that are using AI right now, but it has a clause, so know what you are doing. So what I'm trying to say is that these 3 features that just rolled out and many other more features that YouTube rolled out in 2025 should be able to get you your 1,000 subscriber, 4,000 watch hour and your 10 million short views in no time. Because why is that? Once you, even if you don't get a 4,000 watch hour, and you are these three features that I've mentioned are in your YouTube shorts. So if you inculcate them in your YouTube shorts and you are doing YouTube shorts every day, posting 5 to 6 times a day, you'll be able to get 10 million views in the next 90 days, and voila, you are monetized. So the only thing you just be doing is just keep posting shorts. I know so many channels that are monetized only through shorts, and they are making money. They have never posted any long videos, they have never posted any live. I'm going to be putting a screenshot here so you see this channel has never posted any live, has never posted any long video. So what do you think? This is a new thing that YouTube is trying to roll out, and these people, when they even monetize with shorts, they did it the traditional way. Like, they went through all the stress to be able to create content using external AI tools and to be able to monetize their channel. But now that YouTube has already inculcated AI into their app, collaboration into their app, and YouTube Shops Remix, that is duetting somebody else's video inside the app, why are you not getting your monetization? I know that YouTube is hard, but for those that are in the education niche and the teaching niche, there can be an exception to this, because getting your subscribers and your watch time, getting your subscribers from this avenue will not really give you the money that you need on YouTube. And now note that if you are creating YouTube shorts, you are not going to get the type of revenue that YouTube long videos give. So pick a struggle and know the side you are in. Many people have already sit with the fact that they want to grow their channel using shorts and just get monetized. And while some of us have already said no, we want to get the bigger revenue, we want to eat the bigger fish, and we want to sit down and get monetized through long videos. And again, whichever decision you choose is up to you, because I'm not going to come here and tell you that you should do what I have said. But these are the options that are available to small channels right now, and you should start doing it right now. If you want to get your 4,000 watch hour and you have been struggling for months, I talked about a tool on how to be able to go live, and this tool is very new and very good for all content creators, both in every niche. Video right here to be able to know the tool and watch it to the end, so you can be able to know how to inculcate it into your channel. And I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.